Hello, dear students. How are you doing? Welcome to the week number 5. This week, we are going to be checking the topic 1, 2, and like 2. Let's start. Do you know what it means 1, 2? Okay, 1, 2 means querer o desear. Look at in here. Want to. So, if we want to do, listen, if we want to do a sentence, we are going to use it in this way. First, the subject. After the subject, we are always putting the 1, 2 together. Please remember 1, 2. Don't forget this word. After that part, we are always putting another verb. Any other verb that you want to put. And the complement. So let's look some examples. Look at in here. I want to read every day. I want to do homework. Okay? So, to represent a desire, un deseo, a desire, you are always using 1, 2. Look at in here. There are some negative sentences, and we are going to be putting the sentences in this way. So please pay attention. First, you have your subject. Always the subject, remember. He, she, it, you, etc. After the subject, you are always using doesn't or don't. Plus 1, 2, another verb, and the complement. Let's remember that we always use don't with I, you, we, and they. And we always use doesn't with he, she, and it. Don't forget this part. Some examples of 1, 2 are these. I don't want to read every day. She doesn't want to do homework. So those are sentences to explain desires that we don't want to do. Okay, very good. Now, let's talk about like to. Like to means gustar in Spanish. So, let's see how it works. For an affirmative sentence, we have the subject plus like to plus another verb and the complement. Remember the subject plus like to plus the verb and the complement. Very good. Now, let's see some examples. I like to read every day. I like to do homework. Always remember this part. For negative sentences are the same as 1, 2. Look at in here. We are going to be having a subject plus doesn't and don't plus like to plus the verb and complement. And always remember, I, you, we, they, we use don't. He, she, it, we use doesn't. For negative sentences, these are the examples. I don't like to read every day. She doesn't like to do homework. Here are some other examples. Look at in here. What do you want to wear tonight? What it means this verb? I want to wear my new outfit. I don't want to wear my old dress. What kinds of clothes does Bethany like to wear to work? She likes to wear designer clothes. She doesn't like to wear casual clothes to work. So, in here, I want to show you something that is very important to take into account. We have the subject she, we have like to, and we have it. And I want you to do a sentence with this. So please make the sentence, and after that, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, If you have your sentence already, we are going to start. After she, let's remember that we are always using like to. But look, something is missing. She liked to eat? No. Always remember that you have to put the S. She likes to eat. If we want to make this one with he, it's the same. He likes to eat. And if we want to put the same sentence with it, it likes to eat. But in here, there's a difference when we want to say they like to eat. If we say they like to eat, we are not pouring the S. Only like this. They like to eat. Okay? Very good. Now, we have these two sentences. I want you to do negative sentences. Please do the negative sentences of she likes to eat and they like to eat, and then correct it. There you go. So, she, what we are going to put in here? Very good. Doesn't. And after that, we have like to eat. Let's remember, we are not pouring the S again because, oops, I'm sorry. Because we have the S in here. She doesn't like to eat. This is correct. And if we want to say they like to eat in negative, this is the way that we are going to do it. We are exactly pouring don't. They don't like to eat. And why don't? Because let's remember that with they, we always use this one to say that it's negative. Okay, very good. So practice this part in your house and don't forget to study for the test. Have a nice week and bye-bye.